due to current carrying wire. Okay, now suppose that this is a current carrying wire. If you'll see, suppose this road is a current carrying wire, and if you know that due to a current carrying wire, due to an infinite current carrying wire, the magnetic field lines are in the form of concentric circles. So here you can see a one concentric circle that I have drawn. So how to find direction of magnetic field? So remember that in physics, there are six directions. How much directions are there? There are six directions: north, south, east, and west. So there are six directions, and one is outwards and another is inwards. So if you don't know the meaning of outwards and inwards, then this dot means outwards, cross means inwards. So how to find direction of magnetic field? Suppose I ask you that the current is flowing inwards. Okay, so the current is flowing inwards. Then what will be the direction of magnetic field at this point, at this point, at this point, and at this point? So how to find out? Now, if you'll put your thumb on this current, or in this case, you can also remember that if current is inwards, then magnetic field lines will be clockwise, and if current is outwards, then magnetic field lines will be anti-clockwise. So if we'll draw the direction now, so the current is inwards, so magnetic field lines will be clockwise. So magnetic field lines will be pointing like this. So at this point, the direction of magnetic field is towards east. So if someone asks you that a current carrying wire carry currents in inward direction, what will be the direction of magnetic field at a point on the top side of the wire? Okay, so suppose I ask you what will be the magnetic field at this point, at a point towards east of wire. So this point is right, this point is towards east of wire. So at this point, the magnetic field is towards south. Similarly, at this point, the magnetic field is towards west. And at this point, the magnetic field is towards north. Okay, so this is how you have to find direction of magnetic field due to current carrying wire. Let's take one more example. Suppose now the current is in outward direction. So this saffron color, this is your wire. This saffron color is a wire. And suppose now the current is in outward direction. So magnetic field will be what? Magnetic field will be in anti-clockwise direction. So suppose I ask you, what will be the direction of magnetic field at the point bottom of the wire? So this point is at bottom of the wire. So at this point, the magnetic field is towards east, because this is east direction. So what will be the magnetic field at this point, which lies on the east direction? So magnetic field at this point will be towards north. And what will be the magnetic field at this point? At this point, magnetic field will be towards west. And what will be the direction at this point? It will be towards south. So you have to use your imagination to solve questions like this, when current is inward or when current is outward. Now, what will happen if the current is not inward or outward? Now see this question. Suppose the current is flowing in this direction. This direction means from south to north. Suppose the current is flowing in this direction. So what you have to do is, you have to use right hand thumb rule. You can see in this video. So you have to put your thumb in the direction of current, and the curling of fingers will give magnetic field. So in this question, the curling of fingers will be something like this, like this. Okay, so at this point, the magnetic field will be outwards. At this point, the magnetic field will be inwards. And what will be the direction of magnetic field at this point? It will be towards east. Okay, so this is how you have to find direction of magnetic field. Okay, so this topic is very important, and if you still haven't understand this topic, please ask me. So magnetic field lines are basically like this. So if a current carrying wire carries current, then magnetic field lines are concentric circles only for infinite wires. Infinite means long wires. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to submit this assignment. So basically we have 4 current carrying wires here. So you have to find magnetic field at A and B due to this wire, magnetic field at C and D due to this wire, magnetic field at E and F due to this wire, and G and H due to this wire. And in last question, if you'll see, in last question, an electron is traveling from west to east direction. In last question, if you'll see, an electron is traveling from west to east direction. So you have to find magnetic field at I and magnetic field at J. Okay.